Decided to get up into the nature today. Let's do a little short trip. It's fucking beautiful out.
Town doesn't
Absolutely
exist anymore.
beautiful. Just came through the fog line. It just burnt away. Everything below us is all frosty. Couldn't be nicer weather to come up here though.
Right?
Looks like there's just a lake of fucking cloud. Turns out there's thousands of feet below that. It's absolutely stunning out today. Though I am excited for the snow to go away so we can get into the like actual trails again, but it's nice to just cruise around in snow too. Low PSI therapy and stuff.